Welcome to this quick video about assignment 10 in text processing and analysis. In assignment 10, you'll be doing topic modeling. Okay, so it says, download the news_universe.zip file from the CMS or from right here. I have a link right in the assignment instructions there. And expand it or unzip it, decompress it, whatever name, whatever term your operating system uses for that idea. After unzipping it, you should have a new directory named news_universe with 49 TXT files. Each TXT file has a news article web scraped from the Data Universe. Data Universe is BYU's newspaper. Here's a quick little display of the homepage there. Okay, your task is to use LDA, latent I have no idea how to pronounce that. Somebody correct me on that, please. Allocation algorithm available in Jensum to discover topics in the news articles. You should spend some time running the algorithm several times, each with a different number of topics in order to find what looks to be a good number of topics. This can be accomplished by trial and error. Now, here's a note for those students who want more information or who are good at programming or have experience with programming and want to push themselves. You might take a look at this paper that I linked to in lesson 12.1 as well on finding the natural number of topics with latent Dirichlet allocation, some observations. This is from Academic Conference. Or this part of this blog post, also linked to from 12.1, lesson 12.1 on finding the optimal number of topics in LDA. Gets into coherence values. Okay, but so if you like to push yourself, go ahead and take a look at this stuff and try and do it. But to be clear, I don't expect anyone to do it. It's optional. You don't have to do that. But if you like to push yourself, take a look at that stuff. And you should use the visualization technique presented in class and presented in the code and the solution file for lesson 12.1 to visually inspect the topics. So you're basically using what we learned in 12.1 with a new set of text files with a bit more here. You're gonna write out to a CSV file, the top handful of words. You decide what exact number that is, the number of words per topic that you feel is good. It could be a number between 10. If I can read, that says 5 and 10 words, perhaps up to 15, just depending on what you think is best for each of the topics, one topic per row. When imported into spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, your CSV file should look something like this that I have below. Obviously, the words will be different and the number of topics will be different, and the number of words in each topic. But something like this, you have one row per topic with the number of words that you feel reflect that topic. Okay. After that, you should open it up in some spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or LibreOffice Calc or even Google Sheets, right? Or Numbers on Mac. You're going to directly in the spreadsheet software of your choice, add a new column to the left of the column with the topic numbers and type in labels that you feel adequately reflect the commonality that the words in each row share, and then save the CSV file or the Excel file with your human given labels. That is your given labels, you as a human. Okay, students who prefer to have the topics organized vertically can do so rather than horizontally. That's fine either way. What you're gonna turn into the CMS is a zipped file with your PY file that does the topic modeling, your CSV file or your Excel file that looks like this, that you've put in your human given label, and then a short docx file, a Microsoft Word document with between 50 and 100 words, not much, in which you reflect on two things. Number one, the process of finding a good number of topics for this assignment, and two, possible applications of topic modeling in your future. Now, if you don't see topic modeling in your future, you could just simply brainstorm on how people might use this, how it could be useful to someone in some application. Okay. For example, like automated resume checkers, perhaps that's one way that that's how those websites go through a bunch of resumes. They go look for topics that are discussed in the resume, perhaps, or going through a bunch of news articles. That's exactly what this assignment is. Perhaps if somebody's trying to create a corpus for linguistic analysis, they want to try and sort the news articles by genre or by topic. They can know which topics are in it, just to throw out some ideas off the top of my head right now. But anyway, so you do a little bit of reflection there as well. Okay, so that brings us to a short end. Well, I will point out here real quick. Sorry, one last thing. In the module for week 12, there is a file that it's a short Python script that I wrote to help you go from the output that the GenSim library gives you for the words for each topic into a CSV format like what we see here. So let me just show you real quick. I go to modules, jump down to week 12, and there's a little script here. It's actually a script. I said file, that's a script here. This script, gensim to csv.py. Take a look at that. That'll be helpful for the step of taking the output that gensim gives you and then moving it to a CSV to make it look like this. Okay, so as always, I'm super happy to help. Come to my office hour if you need help, or shoot me an email, zap me an email, just send it, whatever you want to do with it, and I'll help out. Or you can stop into my TA's office hours as well. All right, see you next time.